You've been lied to by the Queen of Genovia. Set the record straight right now. It is not an Hermès scarf.
Is it customary in Genovia to imprison your dinner guests with Hermes scarves? It's Hermès.
So let's get into it and I'll show you which scarf it actually is. My initial thought when looking at the scarf was to go for scarves with heavy gold, and so immediately I thought of Hermès Tuileries. But you can see definitely not a match. Hermès Etier came to mind, not a match. I'm already noticing a pattern where this has more of a watercolor effect. All of the Hermès ones are very crisp. So looked at Hermès Parc Royal. As we can see, not the same look at all. Also Mousquetaire. I thought this shell shape was similar, but it's not. Did this one here. After looking at this and many others not included in this video, I decided this is not Hermès and we're moving on. Explored Versace for the heavy gold detail, but none of those were it. And I found this and I knew I hit the jackpot. Though this scarf is not a match, it has the exact same coloring and the exact same look. Come enter the Echo rabbit hole with me. This is our second option. Not a match, but very similar. Echo option number 3, closer, but not a match. There is a corner comparison there. We're so close. And oh my God, I finally found the scarf. Mia from Princess Diaries is wearing this Echo scarf right here. Here is the corner we've been looking for, match to Mia's. One more angle here where we can also see the match of the border. If you're unfamiliar with Echo, they started in the early 20s by a husband and wife. Still produce so many beautiful scarves today. I have a few. And here is the Echo logo featured on the scarf from the Princess Diaries.